Alright guys, so good morning. Nifty is actually trying to tag it. In a spot is it actually did. So I think question is this is going to make a new high or this is going to make a pattern, right? So that we need to figure out. Trend is actually very tilted. So we'll be waiting for a while to see what happens. We cannot execute a buy here right now because this can do this. If we execute a sell, then this thing can do this. So right now no sell setup and no sell analysis, but they are giving a buy now, and that's the problem.
Alright guys, so the final trade in the Nifty, after this we won't be trading. So since this has been tagged, yeah, so if you break out of this structure, gets the sell setup, we're selling this. So that's the plan. Let's see what happens. If I see something, I'll update you. If I don't see anything, and if I'm away from the screen and you see the setup, you know what to do. Alright. Alright. So we're getting a cell looking like setup, but personally I don't like it. I mean, this is not the reaction when they give the setups. It's actually when we want actually the setups when people are struggling to buy. There are very less people who are interested in buy, and the thing which we see in front of us right now, it's not the sign for that. But I mean, that's my perspective and that's what I think of the market. But if you think you should be selling it, who am I to stop you? All right. So if you into kind of that thing, but I'm telling you, there are very high chances. This trade is for sure. It's like you're throwing your money into the trash. Now, since this is the market, might work out the trade, but my kind of thing to sell this. All right, guys. So we had a sharp fall after that setup. So you must be very happy now, I guess. Anyways, I guess you're trailing, right? Uh, you can trail it. Since you asked, that's why I said you can trail if you want. You can book the profit if you want. Totally up to you. But you took the risk, so you should be definitely get rewarded. That's for sure. So, anyways, it was a nice, or it was a very good courage actually. After the way this is actually falling, definitely you can trail, and momentum is shifting for the downside. So I will not be updating after, I will not be updating anything on this trade. All right, so you want to trail, you want to book the profits, totally up to you. So I'll see you with another trade, or else in the 10 minutes I'll end the room. All right, so I'll see you in the next trading session then. Bye.